Okay, my name is Vasanti. I am the President for Business Development for Origin Learning. We are a vendor organization and we kind of create content services for our clients, and we also provide platforms if they need for mobile ready content. That's very briefly about us, and what we have done here is this is called situated learning. And in situated learning, what we have done is we believe that maximum learning happens while you are in the context and you are actually applying and you need to learn. There is a pressure on you to learn the content. That's when maximum learning happens and maximum retention happens. So that is briefly about what we are doing today. And what I'm going to show you is a demo that we kind of created. Did this for GE Transportation. And what we have done for them is they wanted job aids that are more visual and for shop floor people. So that kind of has all the requirements. It has, assembly, disassembly. It will give them all the important information that anybody on the shop floor would need. So that was a key thing. So what we did.
Schematic diagram.
Just give me a second.
Show me some of the installations.
This is augmented reality. While I just wait for my tablet, I can just show you this augmented reality.
You can stop and you can go by step.
And how do you do this? How do you bring it to this point?
The 3D modeling is done by us, and the programming is done by us. It's basically the whole package.
Just give me a second.
So the 3D modeling is done on 3D Stream.
So this is like assuming there is a component there, and then you would like to learn about the component. What we do is we have the AR application, which is the augmented reality application. That kind of.
It is right away. I mean, we haven't had anybody asking us for iOS. They have asked us
This
for
AR application is developed by you?
Yeah.
We gave them an Android solution. iOS definitely has.
So I kind of enable the
Android
AR
doesn't
application,
support NFC chip.
and then all that I have to do is kind of focus, and then it will show you how it actually works.
It's on Unity?
Yeah, it's on Unity 3D. We have used the 3D is on Unity.
We have the 3D model.
So there's a lot of interaction.
Can you show me a little bit
This
for
is
me
we are
more
doing it
visual
for the
stuff?
e-learning course
Because I do recording.
just the programming and the developing and the packaging bit took us about 6 weeks. The modeling is extra. Depending on the modeling,
Okay.
it might take a couple of weeks or 3 weeks.
So that's for augmented reality.
It's possible to put your own stuff.
The 3D models,
Yeah.
we can just take the model.
Or just developer can do it, or can teacher can do it, or not?
Okay, so this is a little difficult to do because they can point at any angle, so you have to kind of take a lot of pictures and stitch it together and put that information. But this probably is a better technology. So let me just explain this to you. Assume that you're a shop floor person and you are working on a water pump and you want to know how the assembly and disassembly of the water pump is being done. So all that they have to do is they can either take their own device, which is NFC enabled, and just tap it on this, and it kind of activates the module, and you can click on it and it will tell you the complete assembly and disassembly of how the work how it is done.
That's best.
And you can see part numbers. You can see the product specification. You can do inventory. You can check on inventory. You can also check on courses, the video modules. You can also check on videos. It will open the videos out of the LMS. So you have all the resources that you need regarding water pump in one place, and so he can refer to whatever he wants. And all this is done by the trigger of this sticker, which is the near field communications NFC stickers. They cost you like 10 cents each, and the programming of these takes like less than 15 minutes. And we can also use them for classroom training, for example. you can kind of use, assume that an instructor or lecturers have used some videos when they are taking classes, and you can hand out the student manuals to them. When they go back, they cannot kind of recall what was it that they saw in videos. All that you have to do is put these NFC stickers here and enable this, and it will kind of open those videos for them, which they can use back when they are, checking back on the student manuals.
Okay. Now, as the question is, it's similar to augmented reality, but it's you have some electronic tagging.
Yeah, it is programmed chips, and that is a lot of graphic work. But this is just all the programming is done on the chips, and then it just picks it up.
What kind of software you need for a receiver?
So you have those NFC apps. You can just download on Android devices, and if you're using an iPad or an iPhone, you can just use the FlowJack. It's an attachment that will kind of read up all the NFC devices.
This situated, can you explore a little bit about situated learning?
Okay, so situated learning assumes that a person learns very well, when he is in the context and is also applying the knowledge that he is learning. So that is the concept of situated learning. I was in a session this afternoon, and one of the things that I saw is there is 70-20-10 learning principle, which kind of says 70% of your knowledge retention or learning happens on the job, 20% happens as feedback, and 10% actually happens from courses or from reading. So what we created are these job aids, which are visual, which are very helpful and available on the job for people to use. And this is a very new field, but is really got a lot of applications. What we have done is we have seen how we can use this technology for training.
Are you working with some university or?
No, we run our own organization. It's called Origin Learning, and we are doing it for our corporate customers.
And you are coming from?
India. I have an office in Georgia, Atlanta, and my development team works out of India.